2020 has been a challenging year for all of us. But it's time to flip the page and start a new chapter for a better, stronger future.
Vaughan Public Libraries is happy to announce that as of September 8th, the doors to our 3 resource libraries will open with new measures in place for your health and safety.
This includes physical distancing 2 meters apart from others,
face masks and cloth coverings worn upon entry,
enhanced cleaning protocols throughout the buildings,
and our newest feature, cashless, touch-free checkout.
Please note that each branch will have a maximum occupancies and limitations to certain interactive services.
To allow others to browse through our libraries, we ask that you limit your stay inside for shorter periods of time.
Starting September 8th, visit Bathurst Clark Resource Library, Pierre Burton Resource Library, or Civic Center Resource Library for a friendly hello from our staff.
We'll be wearing masks, but you know we'll be smiling.
We are thrilled to have you, our loyal customers, back inside our branches so we can enrich your unique interests with multimedia platforms and resources.
Our goal is to make your visit at Vaughan Public Libraries as enjoyable as it's always been. See you soon!